Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a comparative box plot on Excel. Start by opening up the Chapter 2 Excel example spreadsheet and locate the tab at the bottom that says Example 2.4 and 2.5 Comparative Box Plot. Before we begin, we need to make a correction to this. The columns are mislabeled. The first column is actually the New York commute times, and the second column is actually the North Carolina commute times. Now, examples 2.4 and 2.5 can be found in the textbook on pages 52 through 53. And it's looking at the travel times to work for two samples from two different states. So how do we create the comparative box plot? Well, we're going to have to highlight the entire data set. Now, notice that there's less values in the North Carolina column. And so I end up inadvertently highlighting empty cells. That's okay. Excel is not going to count those empty cells once I create the box plot. So having all the data highlighted, we're going to go to Insert, and then go to the icon that looks like a histogram. And when you mouse over it, it says Statistical. And then click on Box and Whisker. And then it generates the side-by-side box plot. We have to make a couple of adjustments here. So first, what I'm going to do is select Quick Layout 5. That way we get the labels put in. And then you're going to delete the one at the bottom. The font is a little small, so making sure that the graph is selected, I'm going to go to Home. And it says it's size 18, but it's not. The default for these graphs is usually size 9. So what I'm going to do is just type in 12 to make the font bigger, and we can extend the graph as needed. And so notice here that we can see which data set is more variable and overall has larger commute times. And it's clearly New York. New York has a larger span from the min to the max, and it also has a larger span from the first quarter to the third quarter of the data. Okay. So what I would like for you to do is just recreate the graph. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.